Hello and welcome back. In our last lesson, we learned how to add a bunch of new slides. But you probably noticed that when you add a slide, it already has boxes on it that say things like, click to add title. These boxes are controlled by something called a slide layout. A layout is simply the blueprint for a slide. It arranges placeholders for your text, pictures, charts, and other content. Using the right layout for the right job is the key to creating a well-organized and professional-looking presentation. Understanding layouts. Think of layouts like different types of pages in a notebook. You have a cover page, pages with lines for notes, and maybe some blank pages for sketches. Each is designed for a specific purpose. It's the same in PowerPoint. To see your layout options, go to the Home tab and click the Layout button. This will open up a gallery of choices. Let's look at a few of the most common layouts you'll use in any business setting. Title slide. This is your opening slide, the front cover of your presentation. Title and content. This is the workhorse of most presentations. You'll use it for a main heading and a bulleted list, or for a heading and a single picture or chart. Section header. Use this to break your presentation into logical parts, like chapters in a book. It signals to your audience that you're moving to a new topic. To content. This layout is perfect for comparisons. For example, listing pros on one side and cons on the other, or showing a chart next to a list of key takeaways. Blank. This gives you a completely empty slide. It's great for when you want total creative freedom to add your own custom-placed text boxes and shapes. Changing an existing slide's layout. What if you've already added content to a slide and then realize you chose the wrong layout? No problem. Let's say you started writing a bulleted list on a title and content slide, but now you realize you need to add a picture next to your list. You can change the layout without losing your work. Just select the slide you want to change, go to the Layout button on the Home tab, and choose a new layout, like To Content. PowerPoint will do its best to intelligently move the text you've already typed into the correct placeholder in the new layout.
Let's get some hands-on practice. Open your monthly update presentation. 1. Select your second slide. Go to Layout and choose Title and Content. Click in the title placeholder and type Agenda. 2. Next, add a new slide. This time, choose the To Content layout directly when you create it. Title this slide Last Month versus This Month. 3. Finally, add one more slide, but choose the section header layout. Title it Key Challenges. Notice how each slide now has a clear and distinct purpose defined by its layout. This makes your presentation structured and easy for your audience to follow.
Great work! Today we learned that slide layouts are the blueprints that give our presentation structure. By choosing the right layout for the right content, a title and content for a list, To Content for a comparison, or section header for a transition, we make our message clearer and our design more professional. Now that we have the right layouts in place, it's time to learn how to fill them with well-formatted text. I'll see you in the next lesson.